Hey everybody, I'm going to do a walkthrough tour on my latest listing here in Hidden Trails at 31590 Nimbus Drive. Out here doing an open house today. Do a little walkthrough tour with you guys, show you what it looks like. It's just under 1,700 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Our asking price is $292,000. You have at the front of the house these two pretty identical bedrooms with your reach-in closets. And as you can see, your laundry area there. So some storage shelves above. And call these your 3rd and 4th bedrooms. And across the hallway, I'll take a quick peek in the garage. Not too much to see out here, but you do have your on-demand water heater there, which is great. This is what I'm going to call the 2nd bedroom, the biggest of the secondary bedrooms. Get your nice sized closet there. And right off of that is the guest bathroom. Single vanity, tub shower combo. Got the beautiful vinyl flooring throughout. Upgraded semigloss paint on all the walls inside. Makes it a lot easier to clean. And just looks a lot better too than the flat and matte paint the builder puts in here. This is the living, dining kind of combo. And attached to that is your kitchen. Got some great counter space in there. Refrigerator is included. I'm not sure if the microwave is staying, but if it means you put in an offer, I'll buy you a microwave. This is your master bedroom here. Got your upgraded ceiling fan there. And take a look out that back window here so you can kind of see the view. Not just houses, you got some hill country view there. We'll take a better look at that in just a second. Jump into the master bathroom real quick. Your single vanity. The seller has upgraded the shower in here and into your closet. All right, and before we finish up, go ahead and take a look at that backyard. It's pretty typical for the neighborhood, but it does come with a nice view instead of just more homes. All right, so again, similar lot size as the rest of them. I think it's around 0.16 or 1.7 or so, 0.15. And you've got this beautiful view that just goes on forever. And you do have some neighbors over here, but that right there is the back of Oak Village North. So in theory, it shouldn't really change from that. All right, well, if you like this place, sorry, that's my finger. If you like this, give me a call. Come check it out today. I'll be here from 2 to 4. Or give me a call at 210-995-5459.